Keene Building Products introduces ViperVent, a patented lightweight ridge vent that provides an industry-leading 15 square inches of net-free vent area per linear foot. Our one-of-a-kind double-density edge provides superior strength and rigidity, ensuring its ability to maintain a sleek, finished look that makes it virtually invisible from the curb. To determine the amount of ViperVent a structure requires, please visit KeeneBuilding.com. For roofs without a ridge pole, a 1-inch slot will be cut on both sides of the ridge line. For roofs with a ridge pole, a 1-inch slot will be cut on both sides of the ridge pole at the ridge line. Lay out the location of the slots to be cut. Ensure the length of the slots equals the minimum amount of ViperVent required. Slots must end 6 inches from rake edge or 6 inches from inside gable wall. 12 inches from any ridge line obstruction, such as a chimney, and 12 inches from any intersection on a T or L roof. Cut the ventilation slot and remove the unwanted roof decking material. Install the roof shingles up to the edge of the ventilation slot. Care must be taken to ensure that no roofing material covers the ventilation slot. Cut the ViperVent to the desired length and set aside until you are ready to install. To obtain optimal visual appeal, install ViperVent so that it extends from ridge edge to ridge edge and butts up flush against any chimneys that are located on the ridge line. For roofs with T or L intersections, cut one piece that will extend continuously from rake edge to rake edge along the longest length. If seaming is required, avoid seaming at the ridge intersection. For hip line installation, see KeeneBuilding.com for detailed installation instructions. When cutting additional pieces, cut such that they will butt up tightly against the adjoining piece. Care must be taken so that no gaps in the ViperVent are present. Nail a hip and ridge shingle at each rake edge. Install a bead of asphalt roofing cement 3 inches from all edges of the ventilation slot. The bead must run uninterrupted along all edges of the ventilation slot. This will help fill in any gaps between the ViperVent and the roof shingles. Center the ViperVent over the ridge or hip line. Secure one end of the ViperVent with a nail on each side on the printed line. Roll out the entire length of ViperVent. Remove any slack in the ViperVent and secure the second end with a nail on each side of the printed line. Care must be taken to ensure the ViperVent remains centered over the ridge hip line. Finish securing the section of ViperVent with a nail approximately every 4 feet on both sides of the ridge line. Repeat procedure for each piece of ViperVent. To join 2 sections of ViperVent, determine where the seam will occur. Center a cap shingle under the area where the seam will occur. Secure the cap shingle with a single nail on each side of the ridge line. Install a bead of asphalt roofing cement 3 inches from ventilation slot. Butt the 2 sections of ViperVent together snugly, taking care that there is no gap between them and that they do not overlap. Secure the end of each section of ViperVent with a nail on each side of the printed line. Install cap shingles according to manufacturer's instructions. For more information on ViperVent and other products, please visit KeeneBuilding.com.